Hello my dear students. So again study time. Today we will study subject English. Alright. Which subject? English. And you just open your this book of your English primer B. Alright. So again, just for a revision, I just would like to tell you that first words with sound A we all have done in my first video. Yes, words with sound A done. Now today I'll start words with sound E. Alright, just open page number 6. Words with sound E. So, E sound words, E. P-E-N is what? P-E-N, pen. This is a pen. So, P-E-N, pen. Now, H-E-N, hen. Hen you saw? Saw the hen? Yes, hen gives us eggs. You know it? Hen gives us egg to eat. This is what? Hen. Spelling of hen. H-E-N, hen. And hen gives us eggs. You love eating eggs? Yes. Now, see here. T-E-N is what? T-E-N, 10. You know number 10? 1 0 is what? 10. So, just show me your 10 fingers. 10. 5, 5. 10. This is what? 10. So, pen, hen and 10. Now, very easy method. I'll tell you to learn these spellings also. Okay? So, what is common there? E-N, E-N, E-N. What is common there? E-N, E-N, E-N. When you put here P, it will be pen. When you put here H, it will be hen. When you put here T, it will be 10. Easy? So, just memorize it, practice it. Now, next more words we will study with sound E. Alright? Next is B-E-L-L is what? B-E-L-L is what? Bell. Bell you know very well. Yes? This is what? Bell. When your grandparents or your parents, they just worship and they just bell. So that is what? Bell. Now, W-E-L-L. Well. W-E-L-L. Well. Well, you know it is what? It is also a source of water. We can get water from well also. Usually you can see when you go to the villages, okay, and towns, small towns and villages, you can see that Well. What is that well? Why it is there for us, for the human beings? We get water from well. Well, there is no tap water. People can get water from well. Alright. Maybe you all have seen, some of you may not, you just request your parents, they will show you when they go somewhere on the way also, and that interior area, the villages, you can easily see that well. This is source of water, people get water from there to use, alright. Now, T-E-double-L is what? Tell. T is double L, tell. So, this girl is telling, to her mama. What? It's telling something. When you want to say to your mama, daddy, your teacher, your parents, then what do you say? You just tell something. So mama asks what happened, why are you crying? Then what do you, then after when you reply and you about why are you crying, so it means you are telling my this toy lost, or I am hungry, I just wanting to eat something, I want to play mama. So you, when your mama, your anybody, maybe your father, your brother, sister, grandparents, your teachers, uncle, aunt, when somebody asks that what happened, why are you doing this, so then you will reply and then say the saying is, that is what you are telling that, okay, that is what happened, and that one is the telling, okay, got it, telling. So just to memorize all spellings, once again we will rehearse that if there is E-double-L, in all words, then to make that word you have to use one letter, okay. When you put here B, it will be bell. When you put here W, it will be well. When you put here T, it will be tell. Alright. So practice on these spellings many times. Okay. And you can just tell, after learning the spelling, just tell to the parents also, your grandparents also. You may practice in your practice books also. Okay. Now next word with E. Very interesting. That is P-E-A-R. Use of E here. Sound of E is there. P-E-A-R. Pear. Which fruit is this? Pear. You love eating pear? Huh? So this fruit is little sweet and sour. Sweet and sour. Okay, the taste resembling to apple, little bit of, okay, pear, sweet and sour. Okay, spelling of pear, P-E-A-R, pear. This is a fruit. Okay. This is what? Pear. Now, you saw the bear? Teddy bear. So, B-E-A-R. This is what? Bear. Teddy bear? Yes, like that. B-E-A-R, bear. Okay. This is what? Bear. Now, H-E-A-R. are here. It means we listen. If somebody is saying, suppose your teacher is saying something to you, so you are just hearing, just listening. So here is what? When someone says something and we just listen that. Okay? So how do we hear? How do we hear? With our ears. How do we hear? With our ears. So we use our ears to hear. We use our ears to hear. So these are the ears, and this boy is hearing